you're interested in Python, you must know about variables and data type. Hey, this is Ankit. In this video, you will going to learn about variables and data type. So without wasting any time, let's dive into my desktop. But before that, please watch this video till the end because there is an important message for all those who are interested in Python, and there is a gift for you at the end of this video.
Today we are going to see part 1 of variables and data types in Python. Variable is a name that is used to refer the memory location. It is a container which holds some value. It means Python use a concept where data is stored in some memory or it's stored on your RAM, which is given a name by some alphanumeric words and which is identified as a identifier. For example, let's see. Suppose there is a container which is identified as A, and I'm going to store some value, suppose a numerical 10. So here this container is known as a variable. This is known as a variable. That A is known as variable name, and the value will be identified as this 10. So basically variable is nothing, it's just a container which holds some value, which contains some value, but we can use for the future reference. Thank you.
Now it's the time for the important message and gift for you. So we have a master class that will be taken by the university professor. The link is in the description, and we are going to take 5 lucky winners who are going to learn the Python from the university professor on the live classes. So without wasting time, click the link below and register yourself for the master class. Thank you.